How to join Delta Force Discord server. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to scroll down, click on Discover. Now from here you're gonna have to go on the search button and you're gonna have to search up Delta Force. Then once you do that, it should be the first option that comes up because it has the most members. So whatever server you like. So me right here, I like the first one, Delta Force. Now from here I'm gonna click on Join Delta Force Discord server. I should take you to this page right here. So just wait a few minutes. What language do you speak? Obviously English. But if you speak any other language, just select that, click on next. Now from here, for example, I'm gonna just click on skip because I don't really have any interest, but if you do, you could pick one. Now from here, I'm gonna click on skip again. Now from here, I'm gonna just click on whatever you like. So I like Warfare. That's my favorite game mode, so I'm gonna just click on next. Make sure you read all the rules and click on finish. And as you guys can see, I am in the server. So this would have helped you. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.